Poragi, a foodipet combining a potato and a rain frog. It usually lives underground and crawls out when it rains. There is a low chance a poragi is born when you plant a potato. If the sprout is feeling ticklish, that means it's a poragi. During mating season, a flower blooms on the poragi's body. And we have a lovely poragi couple. Sprinkle some water around the newlyweds to find baby poragis. By the way, baby poragis are ferocious and cruel creatures.